Hey guys, Jimmy Two Tech here, bringing you a brand new video. We kind of had the awesome idea to hydro dip the little man's baseball helmet. You want to be the coolest kid on the team, you gotta, have the equipment. Yeah, so we're going to give this baseball helmet a hydro dip with the American flags. Hopefully it all works out smoothly. This was kind of a last-minute effort. We're just basically setting everything on the end of the hot tub. We made a little shimmy rig dipping booth, which I'll show you guys in a minute. So right now he's just taping off the helmet because the foam isn't detachable in this helmet, so we're trying to block off where we don't want the hydro dip to stick, and hopefully it'll repel some of the water so it doesn't just completely soak it up. Alright, so this is a shimmy rigged definitely shimmy rigged dipping booth. Here we used the lid of a garbage can, a pretty good sized garbage can. It's kind of got this square shape, and then we used some black plastic and just like on the inside, so we'll put the water in here, make sure it's up to temperature. We didn't have anything to dip it in that was the right size for the baseball helmet. We have stuff that's bigger, but we didn't want to fill up like a bunch of water just to dip a helmet, so this is what we got so far. And in case any of you guys were curious, we used 4mm heavy duty 10 by 25 foot black plastic sheeting. So right now he's just prepping the surface with a scruff pad. If you watched our last video on like the beginner guide to how to hydro dip, you guys kind of see the process we did. So for this one we're just doing it quick here, so we're kind of brushing through it. So here we made a an outside paint booth. So we just got a little patio table, put some more black plastic on it. Here we have the helmet. We're going for a white base coat because we want the flag dip. So usually white is definitely the best because it really pops out the flags.
You want a scratch coat.
So right now he's just going to spray the activator. Hopefully that bug does not go near the water. So after you spray the activator, he's got about a minute to go grab the helmet. Don't breathe that in, you might want to back up. That stuff's like worse than paint thinner. Yeah, you don't want to inhale that. That was just bad. Wear a mask. Safety first, kids. Wear a mask. I try to dip this in here, making sure not to come out. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, good. Awesome. Woo! Oh, what? Did it stretch? Yeah, it stretched. It's currently 6 a.m. and I'm just kidding. Nah, it's closer to 8:30, but we got this dipped here. It turned out really nice, like on the top. Whoa, you are up close and personal.
I got a puddle of water.
No problem. Clean up your puddles. The sides, a little bit stretched out there. Basically, the reasoning for that is we didn't have enough. What?
Wide enough.
Yeah, we didn't have wide enough vinyl, so when you start to push it in, the vinyl will like stretch to one side if there's not enough. So that's basically what happened here. So, we'll just shimmy something, maybe put some decals on there, because, man, we make a lot of decals. The other side turned out pretty nice. I mean, the stretch looks really awesome, though, just saying.
I'm not seeing it. When I see it, I can get it. I can't.
Hello, Joe. So overall, turned out pretty nice. We still have to put some clear coats on to get a finished product.
And then give me a pair of tweezers out of my drawer.
If you follow me on my Instagram at Jimmy Two Tech, I'll have some, pictures of it when it's completely clear coated and all set. Hopefully we can get this dry tonight so he can use it in his baseball game tomorrow. Fingers crossed that this is dry for you tomorrow.
Tweezers on my desk.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this quick video. definitely be posting more, so be sure to hit that like button. If there's anything else you want to see or you have any questions, anything like that, just drop it right in the comment section. We get back to it pretty quick. And as I said, make sure you follow us on Instagram. We just keep a whole bunch of pictures going of projects, miscellaneous things I take pictures of, and things of that nature. So, peace out, everybody.